I mentioned quite often that Power BI Pro is a cloud service operated also by Microsoft, and this cloud service is not for free. It is what it is. On this page here, the link can be found attached to this lecture, you can find an overview of the current pricing of Power BI Pro. Make sure to have a look at this page at the point in time where you are watching this video, because the pricing might change. If we scroll down a bit on this page here, you also see that we have the Pro pricing, currently around about $10 per user per month. And we also have this premium offering starting with $20 per user and month. And then we have this per capacity pricing with $5,000 per capacity and month. As mentioned at the beginning of this course focuses onto the core Power BI tools for the typical single or corporate user, and these are Power BI Desktop, Pro, and Mobile. The premium services here are made for large-scale use cases in larger companies. Therefore, to understand Power BI and to get started with the tool, we can ignore these and focus onto Power BI Pro at this stage of the course. If you scroll down a bit on this page though, here it is, you can dive deeper into the differences between the Power BI Pro plan and the two premium plans. So you can dive into these if you want to. You have limitations for the model size, for example, 1 GB for Pro, 100 or 400 GB for the respective premium plans. So you can have a look at these if you want to. You can also see that the maximum storage space on Pro is only 10 GB per user and a lot more for the premium plans, but 10 GB per user is quite enough, at least to get started with many different projects. Now, to use Power BI Pro, we need an account. As I said, it's not for free, so you need to create the account either by clicking onto Buy Now down here, by clicking Buy Now up there, or by pressing this Try Free button. Try Free means that you get a specific free trial option for Power BI Pro, but please check the free options at the point in time where you are watching this video. In earlier times, you received 60 days of free Power BI Pro usage. As I said, this can change over time. Therefore, if you don't have a Pro account yet, if you have one, just sign in with this option. So if you don't have an account, select this Try Free option. And now this new page here opens. Thankfully, it's German in my case, and I can't change the language, so I'm very sorry about this. But as you can hopefully also see on your screen, is that we need to enter an email address to create the Power BI Pro account here. And this email address must be a business or school or university email address. So addresses like @gmail.com won't work. So in case you don't have such an account, please have a look at the next lecture. In this text lecture, you will find different ways on how to create such an address. But typically, if you use Power BI Pro as part of an organization, you should have the corresponding address already. So after that, you can now either create that new account or sign in into your existing Power BI Pro account. As I said, please check the pricing plan before you do so. And with that out of the way, you should see something like this. This is your Power BI Pro interface, your personal Power BI Pro account, so to say. And as you can see, this looks a lot different when comparing it to our hopefully well-known Power BI desktop interface. Therefore, it's now time to have a closer look at this interface here.